Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video of Android application series, we are going to be talking about the top and the best Android applications. So let's start our video. So the best Android application today we are going to be talking about is stylish text. Using this application you can customize your text and fonts whenever you write something in a message or anywhere else. Then you can customize your font or text style using this application. So let's see how it works. So first of all, if I want to write a message in WhatsApp, then I will show you how it works. This is normal font, and now I will show you how I can customize my font. So I'll have to select all. Now from here you can see that. Now here is the thing, stylish text. So I'll have to click here, and now you can see that I've got so many text, so many stylish text. So I will click on so I'll click here. So as you can see that, hi, this is W3 Academy in a stylish text. So I can send this to anyone and they will see like this. So I can send a message like this, and if I open this application stylish text, then you can see that there are so many stylish text here. So I can just write something from here and I can copy the text to any other application. So as you can see that now I can share this using any other applications, or I can just click on this WhatsApp, or I can just add this text style to favorite. So this is about text, and I can just, as you can see that from here, there are many styles for numbers. From here you can see that there are some art versions. So if I write something here, then you can see that there are so many artistic features of this application, and I can just copy all of them, or I can just send via WhatsApp or any other application. And here if we look at the styles, then I can just create my own style using this application. So as you can see there, from here it's a preview text. So if I change the style of P, and here you can see that the style of P is changed. So from style editor you can just change the style of alphabet or text as your own wish. So then you can just save your style for further use in future. So now I will tell you from where you can get this application. And so you'll have to open Play Store, and from there you'll have to write stylish text. Now this is the application and stylish text. So you'll have to download this, and then you'll have to allow some access to this application. Then it will start working, and you can just change your text style, and you can customize your font to use in WhatsApp and to use in any other editor. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.